If I were to explain the Brave Teacher Workshop to somebody who may not necessarily know what that is, I would say that it is a workshop empowering educators to ensure that they are taking active roles in their community in order to ensure the best outcomes for their students.
Well, it's been a great 3-day opportunity to hear from experts in the field of teaching, and also a time to collaborate with fellow classroom teachers and develop a plan to continue on the journey of bravery in the classroom.
I was inspired to attend this workshop because I did the May 4th Voices for Change Educators Conference probably about 5 years ago with Dr. Hawley, and I really had a great experience. So as soon as I saw that Dr. Hawley was doing another workshop, I was immediately interested.
A few of the topics that we have covered in this workshop has specifically been over the inclusion of individuals in the LGBT community, policies that back up and support us being brave teachers, and conversations that can be had going forward in order to capitalize on being a brave teacher.
Being a brave teacher means harnessing strength and courage to just show up and do the best that I can. And on different days that may mean different things for meeting the needs of the students, the needs of families, and being an advocate when sometimes that can be a challenging situation.
Even if you consider yourself to be a brave teacher already, you can still learn things here, and you make great relationships, professional relationships that you can take through the school year with you, and relationships with this group, being able to bounce ideas off of them and go back to them and ask for feedback, I think is going to be really invaluable.